Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Stephan, and I'm back with yet another tutorial, and this time it's on how to get back to a video or a live feed on Facebook Live if it freezes. Because we know that some of you folks have trouble with the quiz on a Sunday because of freezing, so hopefully this tutorial will help you with that. So without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. So as you can see, guys, I'm using a laptop, but it would just work ever so slightly differently on a mobile phone. But for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm using a laptop. So let's get into it. So you would open your internet browser. Mine is Microsoft Edge, but it does work with Google Chrome as well. So as you can see, it loads up. And then in the search bar here, what you would do is type Facebook. Now mine is already preset to get together at home, as you can see, so we'll just jump on there. And then what we'll do is we'll just scroll down till we find the quiz, which is here. As you can see, it's happening right now, guys, but for the purposes of this video, I have muted the sound. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the quiz and then wait for it to freeze deliberately so I can show you how to fix it. So here we go, guys. So what you would do is click on the quiz. And as you can see there, it froze ever so slightly, but we'll wait until it goes again, and then I'll show you how to fix it. And there you go, guys. As you can see, it has frozen. So to fix this, guys, all you do, and you won't lose your place in the live because you're already in. So all you do is you just go up to here, this little refresh button, click that, like so, and voila, the quiz comes back. And if it freezes again, all you do is you just click this button again. Well guys, I hope you found that tutorial useful, and hopefully if you do have any freezing problems on any Facebook Live, on Get Together or your own personal pages, if it does freeze, just click the button like I showed you in the top left hand corner. Happy living, guys, and I'll see you soon.